Hi and welcome to this Blueberry Markets video update with me, John Kibler, head currency analyst. In this video I'm going to take you through pound yen as the price is at resistance or approaching some key resistance. I'll jump onto the profiles in a second just to give you a little bit more clarity into this move, but what I'm basically looking at is the potential for this area here to hold. Now we may not, price may push up a lot further. We've seen again the kind of yen start to sell off slightly, and you can see we do have another sort of zone just sitting above this level around about the 157.53 up to the 173.53 up to 175.10. You've got this kind of area just down through here that the market could come up into as well, so price could breach that area. But just going to see if we get a slight rejection first. I'm not looking for anything major. I'm not looking for price to pull all the way back down to these lows or push down towards any of these right through here. I'm looking to see if we can just reject this area. And if we go down to the 4-hour time frame, we can see something that we were looking at very similar on dollar CAD yesterday, where price had come up into this kind of previous sort of structure area just through here. Okay, so sellers were active down through there, market pushed away from this area, market come back up, we've pushed away again. I'm not expecting a big push, okay, because you can see the last time we pushed away from this area wasn't as strong as the initial move. Okay, so we know that we're not really going to start pushing down towards any of these lows down through here, so I'm not interested in that. What I'm interested in is, can price maybe pull back towards this structure high just through here, 165.68? Can we get something where price pulls in and then starts to make that move to the upside if it is going to do so? Now what I'm interested in, if I just zoom in a little bit more as well, you can see this previous structure high. Let me just get rid of this box for a second, and just so I can show you. So you can see we had a double top. Okay, price came up, retested, formed a really nice pin candle, which really kick-started the move to the downside. Okay, so we know that sellers were active at that area because price fell from that area. Okay, what I want to know is, are sellers going to defend this point? Are sellers interested in defending that position? If they are we going to see price, like I said, pull back maybe just towards these highs at 165.68? Inside this zone, there's a really interesting level, so 167.85. Now I'm just going to bring on the profiles just so you can see them in here and just show you why I'm interested in this area, because from this weekly profile just through here we can see that there was a very high volume traded level at 167.85. okay, so that's why I'm interested in a potential rebound from that sort of area at the moment. So this zone is definitely something of interest for me. Now what I'm going to look for is some bearish price action. Okay, I'm going to look for the market to reject in and around this area, whether that be via a kind of very low ranging candlestick, whether that be by a very strong bearish close, or maybe you want to look at a lower time frame for a break of the trend. But either way, I'm going to look for some bearish price action in and around here, see if price can drop towards this sort of area, just to be very safe. We could even argue that price pushed up from here, so you know, buyers are going to be interested around about this point. So you know, are we going to see potentially a little bit more of a pushback? But I'm just interested in this very short term move. Can we get a rejection there, pull back down to that zone? So keep an eye on pound yen. Back at resistance, could offer us some decent support, decent opportunity, sorry. If we break this high, just to kind of add a little bit of a risk factor in here, if we were to break this high here at 168.73, the trade or idea would be invalidated at that point. Okay, so that's where we're going to be wrong in that market essentially. So I hope you enjoyed the video update. If you did, leave this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the YouTube channel to see some more Forex trading content, and I'll speak to you in the next video.